Hey everybody, it's Tom. Today I'm doing a video on a collab that Rob over at Mr Homeowner Cooking DYI is doing. It's called hashtag Bring On Summer 2021. In the video, we just need to cook a hot dog. It can be any way, anyhow you want. It just has to be a main ingredient. So you're going to see my entry for that collab. Basically what I'm doing, I'm calling it a Cincinnati style chili hot dog enchilada. So here we go. First, get your tortilla. Get your hot dog. Put that down. Put down some onion. And then some mustard. If I can get it to come out. Then take this, roll it up, and put it in the baking dish. Let's try that again. Tortilla, hot dog, onion, mustard, and you know what? I forgot one of the most important ingredients. My bad. Cheese. Gotta have your cheese in there. So now let's roll this up as best as we can. Let's put this on the other side. Get this one out real quick. Add the cheese to it. Roll this bad boy back up and put this in. That's how we're going to do it. Let me get the rest of these done and then we'll go from there. Okay, here we go. I got them all rolled up. Hot dog, cheese, mustard. That's what goes inside these. Now, what's going to act as my enchilada sauce is this can of Skyline chili. If it's not available in your area, a lot of stores have something called Cincinnati style chili. That'll work too. And if anything else, you can look online, find recipes for it. So, let's open this up. Without making a mess. And now we're just going to pour this all over everything. Let me get a spoon. And if you really wanted to, you could really use any kind of chili. You could use Hormel, you could make your own. It's up to you. I'm just using this just for the sake of the collab. So there's that. Now we're going to put more cheese on top. Spread this around. Now I'm using the finely shredded cheese because at Skyline restaurants, that's what they use on their hot dogs and their 3-ways and 4-ways and 5-ways and whatever else it is they sell. But with the way this is going to end up, you can really use any kind of cheese. And then on top of this will be more onions. All right, let's pop this into a 375-degree oven. I'm going to try it first for 20 minutes, see how it looks. When we come back, I'll tell you how long it actually took. Be right back. Okay, here it is. It's out of the oven. It didn't take 20 minutes at 475. It only took about 15 minutes. So let me get this plated up and then we'll do the taste test. Okay, here we go. I got one plated up. It actually came out of that dish a lot easier than I thought it would. It didn't really stick to it at all. But here it is. The Cincinnati style hot dog enchilada with chili, cheese, onion, mustard. Now, if anybody has ever been to a Skyline Chili, you know you can't just eat this like this. You gotta have hot sauce. Now, I believe Skyline uses Frank's. I prefer this. So let's put some of that on there. And now let's give this a shot. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Looks like it's done. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah. That tastes just like a Skyline Coney, but it's in enchilada form. This is what I was going for. So if you want something different, give this a shot. And I will try to find some Skyline chili sauce or Cincinnati style chili sauce recipes and post them in the description below. This is Tom. This is my entry for Rob at Mr Homeowner Cooking DYI. His collaboration for hashtag Bring On Summer 2021. Thanks for watching. And everyone, go out and start cooking. See you later.